What's good, judges? Ha. Okay, so a few weeks ago, I ordered a new video camera to use during videos. Duh. It's a Canon E50 Canon EOS M50. Okay, it's right here. It's on the screen. The camera I ordered is on the screen. I'm not even gonna try to pretend like I remember. And yeah, so basically, I bought it from eBay a few weeks ago, and now it's here. So let's open it. Now I could use this to open it. However, can we just take the time to appreciate how cool this knife is? Alright, so I'm just gonna open this bad boy up. Alright, cool. Got some plastic. Here's the camera lens covers, charging thing for the batteries. We got the camera itself. Dope. Looks clean. Lens right here. And it has a tripod that comes with it. Original camera doesn't come with a tripod when you buy it brand new. But, this is eBay, so they gave me a tripod. It wasn't packaged very well. I literally had grocery bags to cushion it. Pay for what you get. I'm just gonna start assembling it so we can see it at its full glory. Boom. That is pretty clean. I like this a lot. This is so nice. I guess I can't really review this item since I haven't really used it yet. I'm gonna take some shots, get some nice footage, and I'll get back to you in a minute. See you then.
Okay, so I used the camera for about a week and got some nice shots, as you can see. I feel like there's many positive things that this camera has going for it, as well as a few negatives, but we'll get to those. There's many different modes you can apply, depending on the scenario you want to film in, or even a picture you want to take. They have a mode for that, for like nighttime, or maybe this like you want to capture something that's moving really fast. There's a mode for that. But there's a movie mode where it's just like, it's good for everything. It's basically the all-around mode. That's what I used for most of the shots. Speaking of which, the max quality is 4K, and I think that's really good, especially for the price of the camera. $460 is the price for like a brand new one. It's actually pretty cheap for a camera at this type of standard. Give or take 2.5 hours for the battery life. You can conserve it more, get more out of it. But I would definitely recommend buying some extra batteries. It's never a bad thing to be more prepared, I do feel like the zooming could be better. There's nothing wrong with the quality when you zoom in, but I feel like it should zoom in more than it actually does. But obviously you can get better lenses for that. You can put mics, you can put lenses, you can put different straps, you can put different tripods, whatever you want, honestly. It's all up to you. That's what I love about cameras, is they're so easy to navigate and make it your personal camera, which I think is great. And this camera does a great job of doing it because of how simple it is and it's so easy to use.
So yeah, do I recommend this camera? Yes. Are there downsides? Yes. Do I care? Nah. Peace.